You know they can kill each other.
It's territory.
They're fighting for territory.
Yeah. You know, men must fight.
So those are men?
Something must kill a man.
They're boys, right?
Yeah, they're boys. Something must kill a man.
Oh my god.
Something must kill a
They'll
man.
fight. Jesus Christ. Yeah. They're behind on his stuff. Eh?
Yeah.
And they're going to move around. Oh
This is a documentary.
Oh god. This is crazy.
Yeah, so crazy.
Look at that. Look at that.
Hey, free documentary. Hey, Guinea fowls fighting. Yeah. Hey.
That's amazing.
Hey.
This is a GoPro 9. How is it?
So nice. Hey, rat race.
Yeah,
This is a rat race.
Hey. Oh,
yeah,
another one. Another one.
Hey. Guinea fowl race. You know, I love the recording them. Hey, the fight continues. Hey, rat race. Guinea fowl race. These ones are so peaceful. This white guinea fowl. Let me make a video for these guinea fowls. So today I'm grazing these guinea fowls of Marwa. So I'm guiding them to greener pastures. Okay, I'm trying to push them to the greener pastures there, so that I can also record the other ones. Oh, they look so beautiful. I've also kept guinea fowls at my home. Though dogs do hunt them down, but I never give up. So as you can see, they are like almost like 15, like 10 guinea fowls. That is, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, almost 14 guinea fowls here. Almost 14 guinea fowls, almost 15 guinea fowls. So these are females mostly. This is a swampy area, so I know they enjoy eating the grass and even insects. Let me try to jump over this water. Oh, it's so soggy. So that I give you, oh, can't go past that. So you can see, let me try to zoom. You can see the other guinea fowls around the wall. They're really foraging. So the other one is coming back after the fight. I don't know which one won. So this one is back from the fight. The other one is just there. The other one is just near the villa. and this other one is here. So they stopped fighting. Hope they resolve their differences. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe for more of this. Bye bye.